Asus has announced two new models of headphones designed to take better advantage of the video games we have at home. These are the Asus ROG Delta and the Asus ROG Delta Core. From the start, it is difficult to differentiate them, since both share an almost traced design. It highlights the use of a controllable RGB LED lighting system with the Aura software of the brand and the Armory 2 desktop application. This system is located inside a striking oval shape. They make use of a pad that isolates the ears, made of foam and synthetic leather so that we can use them comfortably during long gaming sessions. The 50mm speakers that use both models. These make use of neodymium magnets that can offer a response frequency of 20 Hz to 40 kHz with an impedance of 32 ohms. Inside, they mount a matrix of digital-analog converters or DACs with 4 ESS Saber 32 bits and 384 kHz each, of which is responsible for a part of the sound spectrum, with cutoff points at 150 Hz, 5000 Hz, 20,000 Hz and 40,000 Hz. In this way, and according to the brand, it is possible to improve the clarity in the processing of the signal and thus achieve a signal-to-noise ratio of 127 decibels. The sound is enhanced thanks to the use of audio signal diversion technology and integrated Asus Essence drivers, systems with which it achieves a clearer sound, and in both cases include a microphone with LED activation that tells us when it is in use.